Commuting in and out of Manhattan is a difficult chore at best. Well, it's about to get a whole lot worse. Looks like the L train is going to be shut down for 15 months. The MTA has a plan, sort of, adding buses, banning cars from 14th Street, but it is going to be a long haul to get your commute back on track. Allison Gormley has the full story. Allison, what do you got for us?
The L train closure to start in April 2019 has many New Yorkers concerned as to how they're going to get around. The L train operates underneath the East River and runs between Brooklyn and Manhattan. The closure will be for 15 months and affect 5 Manhattan L train stops. We spoke with New York City Department of Transportation Commissioner Polly Trottenberg about the volume of people affected.
During the rush hour in the morning, the L train line carries as many people as all 6 of New York City's East River bridges and tunnels. So it's an extraordinarily efficient way to move people. So they're making a lot of improvements to the existing subway system to try and accommodate a lot of the Brooklyn travelers. And then the next biggest challenge is, how do we move buses at an unprecedented volume?
While the L train is down, commuters will have other options as to how they can get around. Some of those include a new direct ferry, expanded services on current subways, and an exclusive 14th Street busway. The repairs are necessary because of the water damage caused by Hurricane Sandy. For Chasing News, I'm Allison Gormley.
Thanks, Allison. All right, let's check back in with the A-plus panel. They're all riled up and ready to go. Lisa, let me start with you. The L train, I mean, to defend the MTA for a moment, they either have to fix a train or they don't. So the fact that it's going to be shut down for 15 months is obviously a terrible inconvenience, but what are the other options?
I don't know the answer to that, but I just know that you cannot tell me that for 18 months, you're saying that Jersey folks can't drive to Manhattan? How are we going to work? You're going to lose a lot of money. You're going to tell me that we can't park on 14th Street and then take trains from there to Brooklyn? Are you serious? What's going to happen to us? Do I lose my opportunities in New York?
Bob, to that point, I mean, since Bloomberg, they've been talking about limiting the traffic in the city. That really is nothing new. Now, if you're going to add 200 buses, and you're going to add, the bigger issue is the electric buses, which I'm not even sure if they work. What do you do?
Serenity now, Bill.
Breathe,
I go in there 3 times a week. I got to go in there today. So right now my wife has an abacus because we have to use mass transit because we know we can't drive in there. So we have to transfer here and transfer there. And I got to worry about concrete falling on us. I got to worry about a thing breaking down. I got to worry about taking a path. I got to worry about getting back. So you know what I did? I actually contributed to the New York economy. We went and got a $400 hotel room because we can't count on mass transit to get into the city.
And wait a minute, just to go to dinner. When I go into New York, a lot of times the reason why I drive is because when I come back home, I'm not coming back home at 5 o'clock. I'm coming back home at 11 o'clock. Can you imagine me walking through the train station at 11 o'clock at night with all the killers and rapists? I can't even imagine that. So now I've got to take a chance for my life? Do you see this?
Lisa, sometimes you take an issue.
Do you see all of this?
Like, we started at the L train being repaired.
Okay, I can't fight.
And we're way over here.
I can't fight.
That's
I'm
all
scared.
You can't fight.
No. No, I can't.
I'm not so sure I agree with that. All right? But anyway, got to leave it there. Woo!